Hi guys, welcome to the introductory video of how to use IGDTO Hub. So to use this website, firstly you have to open this website, and once you have opened this website, you can see home section, resources section, games, CGP calculator, events and about us section. So let's start with the home page first. Here you can see the introduction of our website, and to have access to resources, you can just scroll down and check the resources from here or just click on resources. From here, you can select your branch. For example, I'm selecting IT. And right now, we have just uploaded notes and PYQ for first and second year students. So we'll be uploading for third year and fourth year students soon. So just click for first year and click on first semester and choose wherever subject you want to. For example, applied physics and select PYQ. Once you select PYQ, here you can see your previous year question has opened. And if you want to have access to notes, you can click on notes, and here you can see the notes. To go back, you can click on back to subject and then back to semester. And just in case you want to have easy access to this website, you can click save my course. And here you can see how to save your course. So just write what it is written, like first semester. I want to have I want to save this. So just click on OK, and a message will pop out which is course saved successfully. Click on OK to have access to those save my course option. Just click on resource, and here you can see load my saved courses. So here you can see all of your courses, and back to here. Now let's explore game section. Here you can see different kinds of game. Just in case you are so bored, you can open our website and play game like this. Player X has won. Reset it and back to game. You can also play a memory game, puzzles, Pong, which is you have to use space to start this game, and then the best part, which is mini coding game to practice your TSA questions. Here you can see easy questions, and here you can type your code, run your code, back to mini games, and here you can see medium and hard level of questions. The best part about this website is quick notes feature. So just in case I want to save my notes, so you can just write something here and save your notes. And here you can see your notes has been saved. So the best thing about this is you don't have to log in to save your notes. Your notes will be saved forever on the local system you are using, and you can remove it from here as well. And if you want to save it as PDF, you can click on save as PDF, and here a PDF will be generated. Click on this and you can save. Here it is written what you have saved. Now, let's explore CGPA calculator. Here, once the midterm result is declared and end term result is declared, here you can check your CGPA and save your subjects and compare your CGPA, which is the best part. For example, I'm writing one, credits 496. Here you can add subject, second subject, credits 3, 85, maybe 86, and then just click on calculate CGPA. So here you can see your CGPA, right? And you can remove this section if you want to. Here we have also added event calendar, and we are going to update it soon. So here you can see first leader date, and from clicking here you can see October midterm examination and these all things. And you can check about us by clicking on about us section, about our website, and this is our team members. So our team is consist of Manvi, Arni, and Divya, and here you can see our about us section. And after checking this website, you can also give your feedback here on clicking on this feedback section. And if you have any kind of resources, you can just click on add file and provide us the resources if you want to help others. And now let's explore the chatbot part. Here you can click just write hi, and if you want to have access to resources, just write resources. So it will redirect you to the resources part. Just write games, and then here about us. Here you can see about our website. So this is how IGDTO Hub works.